Exercise 4. Join the words in the table and form meaningful sentences. I, he, she, you, it, we, am, is, are, going, a girl, a boy, a good girl, raining. I am a good girl. He is a boy. She is a girl. You are a boy. It is raining. We are going. Who is? Who are? Who am? Who is he? He is my grandfather. Who is she? She is my grandmother. Who are they? They are my parents. Who are you? I am a girl. Who are we? We are children. Who am I? I am a boy. Has, have. He has a ball. I have a ball. She has a doll. You have a doll. Tom has a book. Ram and Sita have a book. I have a long tail. They have a house. We have a parrot.